all this stuff in the vehicle. Now I got to run it over to where the distro bar and the fuse holder is going to be. I think I'm going to put them in the same spot, but in a better situation. It's the second skin butyl in between the acrylic and the metal. And we got some more second skin damp pro over the top of the original alpha damp, just so it doesn't look so trashy. It looks super nice now. A lot cleaner for something that'll never get seen again anyways. Once and for all, at least for now, I can drop this amp rack down, start running wires on the side. gotta clean this up a little bit and start running some more wires. Starts with an idea, a pair of scissors, and some cardboard, and about 10 tries. Just keep refining it until it starts to do what you want it to do. That's going to go there. I only have one hand, but that's going to go there. And then we got the little fuse box from Spark Innovations going to go over there for my 12-volt needs. All right, it's do or die time. I hope this works. If not, I'm going to waste a whole bunch of metal. Where's my mark? Oh, that's why I did that. That was my little test piece from earlier. I was wondering why it started way out the middle. So yeah, I just wasted some material. I was like, why is that starting over there when it's supposed to start over here? But my little circle is still on that program, I bet. Let's see. There it is right there. Damn it, I should have looked. It's alright. We're all good, we're all good. Innovations is going to be perfect for my 12 volt side. Got a couple little things that are going to run off 12 volts. Now they got their own little pieces. Let's do that damn thing, young tight. See that thing. Looking good. Hopefully it's enough. All right, let's do or die. Let's see if this thing fits. Brando. I mean, it's almost like it's perfect or something, huh? Alright, so this thing is in here. It is, you can move the whole truck by grabbing it. It's strong, it's sturdy, it's pretty. It's time to run some wires. time lapse for a little bit, just to kind of show you where I'm at. All ready to go. All the outputs. We got the sparks innovations, running all the remotes, and I also got it tapped into the 17-volt side for a couple of those fuses. We got my remote buttons. We're good to go. Oh yeah, I give that a little gas, it'll be well into the 17s, no problem. They're a little warm, but it's all right. And then we got this over here on the step down. Look at that. So my remotes are seeing a nice 12.5. They don't even know, but really this is what they're getting. So it works out great, I think. So as you can see, we're pushing a healthy 17 volts, no problem at all. All I gotta do now is start adding fuses, and every time I add a fuse, another amp is gonna come back online. It should work great. Stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, make sure you hit that little button, that little notification button at the bottom. Don't miss out. Hopefully when I turn this on, it'll start playing right away. I think it will. Until then, I'm out. I gotta go get some fuses right now.